quickly. So the only thing I didn't like about this is the GoPro suction cup. I had high expectations for this because it is actually from GoPro. Now, when I received it, this is how it came. So you could tell it's been used. I am not bothered by the fact that it's been used, but it's been worn quite a bit. And because of that, it wasn't sticking to the surface that I put it on. I put it on glass and it wasn't sticking at all. Actually, it caused my GoPro to fall twice, and I got frustrated after the second time, and then just decided that I was not gonna obviously get to use the GoPro that would have been on this, which was very upsetting. But I do believe that this is a really good product. I just would have loved to see them change this and then send it to me. But you guys just check to make sure it's brand new, or at least that it's not as worn as this, because whoever had it before me, they wore it down and then the company kind of just sent it back to me. And it was like, this is done for. Like, this whole section is gone. It didn't even, like, I couldn't even get through the first, like, I couldn't even get, this didn't even go anywhere. Like, we didn't get anywhere with this. It fell off within seconds of me putting it up, and then I put it back up, fell off again, and I was just like, all right, I'm done with it. I'm not going to get to use it throughout the flight. So yeah, this was very sad because this all seems very secure, and this was the only problem.
Here's another test of the GoPro suction cup. Here's the one I normally use in this car. Is the Hyundai Tucson. And this suction cup, I use this regularly. It stays up. It stays on the window for hours on end, days on end even. I don't apply any water to it. I do use, I just cleaned this with a alcohol wipe, this and the window. And now this is the brand new suction cup I just got. And this is also not wet. And I just cleaned it with the same alcohol wipe. And you can see it falls off immediately. So, not gonna work.